comes to the best Land Rover wheel spacers, always choose the junior brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A junior brand usually becomes a junior brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Land Rover wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using Land Rover wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end Land Rover wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Land Rover wheel spacers are continuously preset under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any porosity and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Land Rover wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. Their bolts to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub spacer wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both on Land Rover wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TUV certificate. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Land Rover wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A purple hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be the lightest. This means that anodized Land Rover wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for sharing. Have a good day.